Yo, champions! Have you ever wondered what highly successful people do to be able to slam so much inspiration and creativity in 24 hours? I personally had to learn how to manage my time well during my master's degree, where I had to take up to 28 units in 1/4 while maintaining good grades, during my doctorate degree, and currently today where I work long 10-hour shifts in the clinic full-time, while releasing weekly YouTube videos and weekly Medical Mondays podcasts on iTunes and Google Play, while also spending plenty of time with my family and friends. If you're wondering what I've done to manage my time well, then download my free PDF on tips to optimize your time. These are the exact things I've done the past decade to be able to do so much in so little time. I will email this PDF guide to you. I am thinking about taking down this free PDF in the future after I've received a certain number of downloads. Link to get your free PDF emailed to you is in the descriptions, champs. Click above for the next video, and please let me know if you have any video suggestions below.